The Kreg Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter makes it possible to take Kreg joinery projects to the next level by giving you complete freedom to create your own custom plugs from any wood species. That means you can cut plugs from your own project stock to create plugs with color that matches your project better than has ever been possible before. Plus, the Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter allows you to create face grain plugs that blend in amazingly well. The plug cutter simply slips into a Kreg jig in place of the normal drill guide block and works with a Kreg jig K5, K4, or even an older K3 model. That allows you to clamp your plug material in place and drill in the same way that is used for creating pocket holes. To create the plugs, just chuck the plug cutting bit into any drill. This high-performance bit features a specially designed cutting tip that shears cleanly for a smooth, consistent plug. The bit also has an open design that prevents wood from jamming inside the bit, and fluting that reduces heat and friction for better plugs and longer bit life. A stop collar ensures perfect depth every time to produce accurately sized plugs. The Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter comes with one bit that creates plugs for standard size Kreg pocket holes. For even greater versatility, two optional bits are also available. One makes smaller diameter plugs that fit Kreg micro pocket holes. The other bit creates large plugs to work with the Kreg Jig HD, a plug size that's only possible using the Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter. After cutting the custom-made plugs free, they simply slip into the pocket holes. The plugs are sized to protrude only slightly above the surrounding surface. That means it's easy to sand or trim the plugs flush, producing a plug that virtually disappears. When you want the best matching pocket hole plugs possible, and when you want the freedom to create plugs from any type of wood, the Kreg Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter is the solution you need. For more information about the Custom Pocket Hole Plug Cutter, other Kreg Jig accessories, and the rest of our innovative solutions for building with wood, visit us online at kregtool.com.
Equip your WorkSharp knife and tool sharpener, Ken Onion Edition, with attachments to expand your sharpening capabilities. The blade grinding attachment allows greater freedom in sharpening and blade customization. You will be able to sharpen a blade at any angle between 10 and 35 degrees. Changing the pulley distance setting will affect the grind profile. The 4 belts included are long-lasting and offer a wide grit array. Each belt is 1 by 18 inches, larger than the standard belts for the Ken Onion Edition. To begin sharpening, install the attachment onto the power platform. Install the proper belt and prepare the tool for the task at hand. Power the machine at the recommended speed and press the lockout switch. To sharpen, place the spine of the blade onto the reference plate. Maintain the horizontal angle and set the blade edge onto the abrasive between the upper pulleys. Move the blade across the abrasive at 1 inch per second. Stop with the tip on the middle of the belt. Sharpen the same side until a burr is raised along the entire cutting edge. Then repeat the same number of strokes on the other side. Progress up the grit scale until the desired sharpness is achieved. For more information, visit worksharptools.com.
Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch, and I'd like to give you a brief overview of the new GKF 12V8 cordless router. It's compatible with the 12 volt stroke 10.8 volt professional battery system. It has a very quick and easy spindle lock feature, which allows you to lock the spindle when changing bits. We also have a very fast adjustment of height here for getting your coarse adjustment, and a little wheel on the bottom for fine adjustment of the height. Very ergonomic, very light, has a brushless motor. You grab the machine like this, and with this extended base here, it gives great stability on the workpiece while you're moulding or trimming laminates and other lighter jobs. So that's the GKF 12V8 new 12 volt lithium-ion professional router. 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 12 volt lit
Like to know how to join wood the easy way and create rock-solid joints that are built to last? Well, forget nails, split wood, brackets, and messy glue, and build joints like the pros. For over 25 years, pro woodworkers have relied on Kreg jigs to build and repair furniture. Now you too can create pro joints with just a drill and a Kreg jig to build your own wood projects. Kreg jigs let you drill perfectly aligned, hidden pocket holes. Then Kreg's self-tapping screws pull the pieces tightly together, creating ultra-strong joints. It's just that fast. Learn how to build a tight square box with solid joints, and then you can build any project, from bookcases to complete storage systems. Build it right, build it fast, build it better with a Kreg jig. Kreg offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, so get your own Kreg jig today.